Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. In this class, we have learned that how to build a solar system animation in in CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Please hit the subscribe button and all the notification bell. Okay, and please share it with your friends, your families, and your neighbors, and anyone you can and free share my video. Okay, so I will not take a long time, so let's start. So now here I will open my text editor. My text editor name is Sublime Text Editor, so I will open my text editor, Sublime Text Editor. So enter press. So here you can see my Sublime Text Editor is open it. So I will erase this also. Here I will erase this, and now here I will close this file. No, and now here I will go, and here I will go to the file and new file, and I will make one only file, and I will go to the file, save as, and here I will go to the desktop, and here I will write index.html, enter press, yes, save it. So here you can see it easily as my work is done till here, so my file is made it. So I will write HTML tag. You have a bracket tag editor, you can only shift and one you can come all that things. So I will small the here. So you are a beginner level, so I will side by side. So here we can go to the here. So open my code. So here I will save here, refresh. So now here I will small it. So now here I will define, here I will, my title will be Solar System Animation. Save here, refresh. So here you can see it. Elias, here is come Solar System Animation, and I will, here you can see it. Elias, my work is done. So I will go to the down to the body, and there I will define h1 class, sorry, h1 and 2 time tab. You have a bracket tag editor, you have a, only 1 time tab. So now here I will go to the here, and now here I will write easily as Solar System Animation. Save here, refresh. So here you can see it. Easily as Solar System Animation is come to the here easily as. So here you can see it. So now till here my work is done. So here I will go to the down of the HTML, and here I will write a style and 2 time tab. You have a bracket tag editor you can, and only 1 time tab. Go to the here, and here I will press enter. So here I will define h1, and here I will write bracket bracket enter press. So here I will write font family should be Montserrat, sans serif. You have a pop in any font you can give it. I have Montserrat, so I will give the Montserrat. So here you can see it, my font is changed. So I will go to the down, so I will give my text align should be centered. Save here, refresh. So here you can see it. It is easily has come to the center. Here you can see it. Easily it has come. So now here I will go, and here I will define the h1. H1 should be hover, and hover should be color. Color should be like aqua. Save, refresh. So now aqua is not like good. So I will write yellow. Save, refresh. So yellow is also not better like red. Okay. But dark blue I will like dark blue. Save here. Save to the air. Refresh. So dark blue is like good. So here you can see it. So now till here my work is done. So I will pick my video. So I will go to the H1 to the down, and here I will write video 2 time tab, and now here I will write auto play loop. Auto play loop should be muted, and I will go to the down, and here I will write source tab 2 time, and here I will write my video should be here, and my file I will go to the file explorer. So my videos is come, so I will his name should be road, and his name should be road. So you can much sure it in MP4 or not. My MP4 here you can see it. So now here I will go to the here, and here I will write road should be MP4, and here I will go and here I will write video slash will be mp4, save here, refresh. So now I will go to the here, and now here I will copy it. So I will paste to the, sorry, control Z and paste to the here. So sorry, here I will copy it to the here and paste it. Sorry, here I will define a mp4. Save here, side by side, refresh. So here you can see it easily that my video is come. So but my text is very small. So I will go to the here I will write font size should be 50 pixels. Save here, refresh. So 50 is small, like 100 pixels. Save here, refresh. So 100 is also not good. So 120. Save here, refresh. So 120 is like good. So 120 is also not like good. And I will write 140. Save here, refresh. So 140 is good. So here I will go to the here and here I will write dot video. Sorry, here I will define go to the down. So here I will write div class. Class will be container, and here I will copy it, erase it, and here I will paste it, save here, refresh, and here I will write dot container. Container should be position, should be center, and text align should be center, save here, refresh. So here you can see it easily it's come to the center, and here we can big it. So here you can see it is easily and come to the center. So here you can see it, and you can get here by this is my video. You can give any video, and this is my video. So here I will, my hover is not like good, I will not like good. So I will go to the here I will define a red. Go to the up, here I will write red. Save here, refresh here, you can see it, red is like good, so much. So here you can see it, easily I will make my solar system animation, and I will think, you have a open a browser, so you can open your file in open a browser. I will not, because Opera and Google Chrome is very latest version to open your work, and the Microsoft Edge is very not latest version. So I will show you. Please use the Opera Google version because it is a very helpful version and latest version. So here we can see it easily. I will make my solar system animation. You can give any videos to the here. I will give this video, so here you can see it. So here I will easily make my solar system animation using CSS, and there you can see it easily. I will make that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy. Like my videos, your friends, come to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and all the notification bell you can, and have a new videos to the your notification. So here you can see it, and I will much sure you can, and you can pick any video like I have put that video. You can pick any video. Okay, so here you can see it. Easy, I will made it. How to build the solar system animation using CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy. Like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So for today, good